Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing Realme 5i and will discuss some pros and cons. Now we will unpack and open this box. After opening the box, we see a yellow card written, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." And under this we have our brand new Realme 5i smartphone packed inside a smooth translucent plastic pack. Now here we see our 10-watt power adapter, which is branded under Realme, which was previously branded under Oppo. Now we see the USB port with beautiful yellow colored design, and with it we have a 1 meter long USB cable. Now we will see what is inside it, and we see here that there is a SIM ejector tool inside it and some manuals. Now there is only a quick guide and some important information guide. There is no warranty card given here. But don't worry, when you turn on your smartphone, a pop-up will come and just after one tap your e-warranty will be registered. Now we will unpack our smartphone and see how does it look like. Now we see that our smartphone has a giant dark display, and from the back side it looks really awesome. This is the aqua blue variant of Realme 5i and it has a fingerprint like matte finish which really provides a great user experience. It also provides a good grip, and Realme says that this design helps in preventing scratches which we usually see in other smartphones. It has a quad camera setup and quick unlock fingerprint sensor. In the front side, we see a water drop notch on the top of the display. On the right side, we see a power button, and on the left side, we see volume buttons and a SIM tray. Now, we will insert our SIM ejector tool inside the tiny hole beside the tray and try to see whether our SIM card tray is dedicated or hybrid. Now we can easily see that it is hybrid. That means we can insert two SIM cards as well as a memory card together. But for this smartphone, I don't think so that we need to insert a memory card because it has 128 gigs of ROM already there. Now we need to insert our SIM cards to get started. Or simply we can use a Wi-Fi network. Now we will turn on our smartphone by just long pressing the power button. And after few seconds we get to see a cool boot animation written Realme in its brand colored yellow text. Now a screen comes out where it says to select a language. We will just set it to default English United Kingdom, and the terms of use, we will just click on continue and again continue. It is trying to connect with Wi-Fi. We skipped it. Now the device is checking for updates. And now it is asking whether to copy apps and data. We will just click on don't copy. Now it is asking to sign in our Google account. We will just click on skip for now. And then just more and then accept. Use passcode. We will click on skip on the web screen and open update overnight. We'll just pass it and set it as a new Realme phone. It is giving some recommendation. We will just skip it for now. Oh, ColorOS 6. Now just click on get started and you will be in the home screen of Realme 5i with ColorOS 6. One thing that disappointed me the most is that it comes with ColorOS 6, not even ColorOS 7. Actually, I was expecting for Realme OS, but it's not a big issue. Maybe Realme will provide Realme OS with its future updates. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons of the device. Pros: unique design. The design on the back side of the Realme 5i is really awesome. I liked it the most and it gives really a great user experience. Massive battery. It comes with 5000 mAh of massive battery and Realme claims that it can give standby up to 720 hours and calling 44 hours and music 32.5 hours, YouTube 19 hours and we can play PUBG 9.4 hours on it. That's amazing. Large display. It comes with 6.52 inch of display which is great to enjoy media, gaming and learning. Quad camera setup. This Realme device comes with 12 megapixel of main camera, 8 megapixel of wide angle camera, 2 megapixel of portrait camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. Cons. Camera quality. Why not it has a quad camera setup but the indoor photography is not satisfactory. Charging and charging port. Charging the device battery is really a big deal. It also gets heated while charging. It also lacks USB Type-C port, which is now becoming popular. Display resolution. The screen on this device comes with HD Plus display, which is nothing but 720p resolution. So, this was the unboxing as well as review of the device Realme 5i. Thank you.